Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to unpair your transmitter from DJI Mic 3. Let's begin! Of course, by transmitter I mean your microphone, which, as you can see, currently is connected, so let's disconnect it from our receiver. First of all, we have to actually get into the settings, and we can get into the settings by scrolling or swiping from the top to the bottom, like that. Then you want to keep scrolling until we'll see Device Management, and then you want to click Device Management. As you can see here, we can manage our receiver and transmitters, so of course we want to head into transmitters, and we only have one transmitter connected, and this being this transmitter. We can click that, and as you can see now we can hit delete, and now we are no longer connected. And you will notice that we are not receiving any kind of information, and the LEDs on the transmitters are now flashing, meaning that we are not connected to any kind of receiver. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.